is a wooden car model I designed and built as my high school project. I will turn it on in a second, but before I do that, let me give you a bit of a walkthrough. So it has realistic Ackerman rack and pinion steering, and a V8 engine with opening intake valves. It's powered by an electric motor from a cordless drill. This V8 is very primitive, especially compared to the one I will be putting into my next project, so look out for that. It has a hydraulic clutch. This thing is terribly unreliable. I've burnt it like 10 times already. It occasionally leaks hydraulic fluid, so it's very unreliable, just like on a real project car, you know. Right, 3-speed manual with reverse and neutral, very cute, I know. It has a working odometer. This thing is very realistic because you can actually rewind it to increase the car's resale value, just like on a real car. The speedometer is currently broken, so sorry about that. It has an open differential, considering making a locking one for the next car. Just fixed the hydraulic disc brakes. You can see when I press in the pedal, they close up. So I'll turn it on.